Hello friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mark eLearning. In this video we will learn about lookup in Excel. Here we are having a table of data having product name, code, quantity, price. I want to fetch data from sheet 1 to sheet 2 by product name. First convert to table. Write any one product name in product name column like CPU. Now apply HLOOKUP formula. First select value which we want to fetch from table. Now select set of data table. And make absolute path using dollar symbol. Now give the row index number. Like in set of data I have code in second row, so I will write 2. Copy HLOOKUP formula for all column. And change row index number. You can use tab to make new row. And write product name, it will get automatic all value. Thanks to watching the video. If you like the video is helpful, then like, share and subscribe my channel.